Didn't know this was a thing, but thanks for including me. Glad we all get to watch Gravity Falls at the end. My favorite character is Wax Larry Kin.
Wait, what is Fandom Thoughts?
It's basically Fandom on crack, but written by me on Wattpad.
Fandom thoughts always inspire me to think that taking a photo of Eiffel Tower at night is legal and no one can tell me otherwise.
Hello viewer. I do not care about the fourth wall and I noticed you were committing tax evasion, viewer.
And that's where you are wrong. I ain't making the same mistake as Al Capone.
Classic oversimplified humor.
Nice.
Pretty cool. Also extra thing, I tend to watch all Amphibia episodes either the day they come out or the day after. So I'm usually on top of things. Just wanted to let you know for future chapters. God Season 3 is extreme angst.
Oh hell yeah.
Eat the rich. The great French revolutionary. O.P. Diaplanetry.
The man is speaking true words of wisdom.
Of course, Planetary was one of the many killed during Robespierre's reign of terror. But let's just ignore that.
And forgot to mention, Elif Frederick now has his character redesign and there is a female design of him too.
Also I want to say something Larify can shapeshift. And some of her forms are male.
A new episode in months, so I thought it died well. But amazing.
I'm getting a notification from the Season 2 thread just about every 5 seconds. Good thing we're safe here.
Same.
Just unfollow it and don't reply to it ever again.
Of course not. It entertains me to see the tomfoolery that goes on there.
Same.
I'll be honest, I wish I could watch Gravity Falls again since I'm not able to see it on TV anymore. Right now all I can watch are just clips. There are so many jokes and references that I just didn't appreciate as much when I was younger. I should also mention that I have elected myself General Secretary of this and all future CRACC threads. Since that's how communism works. Now comrades, let us rise for our glorious anthem.
That's me. I got no face, but hey, that's me.
Hey, that's me in the water.
Just enjoying life with a gummy ash.
Wow, you still remember the gummy ash LOL.
I will never forget about the gummy ash. It's fun doing gummy ash theft.
Are you Elif? Just saying.
Yes, I am Elif. I changed my username.
No, you've got it all wrong. I should be wearing a Soviet military uniform. One must be properly dressed for the brutal Russian winter. But anyways, Godred is indeed watching, much like Booty. In fact, Godred and Booty got locked in a fierce struggle for dominance. And the only being that can restore order is DJ Music Man.
Godred, Hootie, and DJ Music Man, the cursed trio. Also here.
Thank you. I shall wear my uniform during my trip to Berlin this spring. Also, I used some of my Christmas money to buy the DVD boxed set of the complete series of Gravity Falls. That's how serious I am about seeing this darn show again.
Yo, that's pretty fucking cool.
Hey Emma, oh I see my shitty redesign. Good job, bro.
Freddy is just sleeping, just like how I wished I was when my grandparents were forcing me to stay up until midnight.
Nice. I have made some changes to my OC by the way, Elif. If you would like to see the changes, Lil show you.
She's in peace, yes, but also missing out the best scene of Gravity Falls. Although I suppose that would change what your favorite Gravity Falls episode is. Mine is not what it seems. Sure, go ahead.
Are they all like at a bar or something? In an alternative universe where we are our personas, we just live in an abandoned bar.
We live in a fandom hotel. The place I drew in this picture is the fandom backyard. It's where we watch stuff and drown people. Wait, what was that last part?
Well, the hotel has a bar in it.
Cool. Can't find me though.
The moment when identity crisis.
Yes.
You are near my OC. I drew Larify as a human.
Ah, I see. Cool.
Stanley Pines is acting a little less used. How do we know if he's not William Afton?
I mean, does William regularly commit tax fraud?
Sounds like something he would do. Not gonna lie.
True.
Whoa, let's not take this line. There's an old person in it.
Yeah, he's probably gonna pay with, like, pennies and war bonds.
Hey, for your information, I was going to shoplift all of these.
Sir.
Oh shit.
Let's not forget about the time Stan made a hot air balloon, which did not help his image. In fact, it only makes him look more like Afton. I can't believe it took me this long to realize that Alfred Molina was the voice of the multi-variant versus manliness. And not to mention, Jane K. Simmons is the voice of Ford. All we needed was to make Tobey Maguire a guest appearance. If only. By the way, wonder if the multi-bear is a fan of Fiddler on the Roof.
Also, Mark Hamill voices the shapeshifter, and the voice cast of Gravity Falls, at least 75% of it is just Alex Hirsch.
I'm just saying, we got both Doc Ock and J. Jonah Jameson in Gravity Falls. How come we couldn't get Bully Maguire?
Bully Maguire would have been great though. What about Bully Dipper?
You'll get your rent when you fix this damn door!
But for that, J. Jonah Jameson would have been great too.
You want a staff job and you want a staff job. Anybody care about what I want?
I do.
Shut up. Get out.
Hello, Peter.
Stanford Pines, the real one, not Stanley, who took his brother's name, is a true American hero.
Your math is no match for my gun, you idiot!
Well, Ford is my favorite character, so yes.
Let's be honest here. The best character is Quentin Trumbull, 8th and 8.5 President of the United States, the Trump founder of Gravity Falls, and the man who appointed babies to the Supreme Court. Well, I finally finished Gravity Falls. Rest in peace, time baby. Sorry to post 3 times in a row, but I'm sure you'll enjoy this masterpiece.
Hi, I've been revived from the dead. Also, this is cool. Elizabeth Astley is back.
I figured out why Glam Rat Bonnie is an insecurity breach. It's because Stan stole him to put in a mystery shack. Wouldn't be the first time he attempted to steal an animatronic.
Is a big fat RP.
Happened to me multiple times. I didn't know where to go and died.
What's this?
Weeping Angel Endos. Pain.
It's from Jacksepticeye's new security breach video. He ran out of the parts and service office right after the Ndos woke up and immediately hit, so they were just swarming the area. He was going in circles.
They look like they're making a conga line. But weeping into a conga line of imminent doom.
No, this happened multiple times, I'm over it.
When my sister brings her fellow demon friends to the house.
My sister and her friends when I eat the last slice of pizza.
Me when there is no more coffee left in the pot.
You make a conga line around the pot. What kind of demonic coffee cult are you in?
I was gone for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And this is what I returned to?
Pretty much.
Conga lines and coffee demons. I insert an on-cringe username.
Time for another episode of Fandom on CRACC.
This is the best material I have seen in a while.
Agreed.
Hello, it is good to see you again.
Nice to see you too, Elif.
When Garfield smells lasagna and John is praying to the Lord.
When Freddy is not around.
This is how the theater will be when the movie comes out. You know, the FNAF movie.
Yes, any staff getting out will be rejected and jump-scared.
Caption to the photo: FNAF fans when someone says FNAF sucks.
True though.
I'll take 2 crying children, bleach bear, Bible and holy water.
Alright.
Thank you, kind sir / ma'am.
You're welcome.
What about crosses?
I think they're out of stock.
Good point. Once I got a mini Bible from church and then saw the same one a week later at a thrift store and bought it thinking I didn't already have one. So now I have 2 mini Bibles under my loft bed. They're there while I sleep.
You have exotic butters.
No, but I'm pretty sure that Freddy Fazbear's drive-thru that Mike works at has some. You could go there.
Okay, where is it?
I'll be honest with you, I have no idea, but I think it's near Fazbear's Pizzeria Simulator.
Where is Pizza Simulator though?
That's the point, I don't know. Although I think the place would be burnt down already thanks to Henry. Although here.
I finally have my exotic butters.
How much is it?
You mean the holy water is about 10 Turkish liras.
Okay, and I'll take the holy water, the Bible, and the bleach bear for 10 million liras.
Okay then, that should be enough. Also, you sure you don't want crying children?
Children 10 liras again? Whatever. And I'll also buy that for 200 trillion liras.
Alright. I think I am rich. But wait, Splash, our economy is trash.
Wait, why does he sell all of those things?
Just in case if you saw a cursed image.
Joke's on you. That's rupiah now joking. Of course it's liras.
I mean, is there much of a difference? Or is your economy more trash than ours?
Maybe. But I once saw a rich dude who was riding in a Porsche 1 year ago.
Maybe he wasn't rich.
Okay, but it's rare to see a supercar or some Rolls Royce here, because they will be called rich if they had a car like Porsche lol.
I'll take the crying children please, I need to finish my collection.
Wait, you have other children? Like, in the basement?
Yes, and they won't shut up.
Okay, here, have the children.
Thank.
Crying children that don't be funny.
Just wondering, do you have any corpses? I will take some holy water too. I'm hungry, just give me the corpses so I can eat.